Now this morning we have a dilemma. We have a chance to go for about a 3-hour ride or work in the garden. Yeah, I'm going riding and Karen's going to work in the garden. That's usually how it works out. And it's funny, even though we do love our garden and we love our flowers and they're all in full bloom, and I can picture some people saying, who cares about flowers, you know. But I really do enjoy it. It's amazing. Amazing the fun we have with that garden. But it's also amazing how much fun you can have with a nice 09 R1 that's fueled and ready to go. Just wanted to mention one other thing with since I've had this radar detector, I would guess I couldn't even count how many times, and every once in a while I'll even include one in on a video just to show people how this saves your bacon. Boy, this is great, especially where we are in New Jersey. There's in the paper the police are on these vendettas to give out tickets. This little guy has paid for himself probably 2 or 3 times already. And I really like that. That is really a nice secure feeling when you're riding up in the twisties. Now I was lucky just the other day. I got 4 tires in the mail. One of them of course is the rear tire that needs to be replaced here. But we'll get a couple more rides out of this tire. Now it's funny, as I'm getting suited up, I look over my 4 tires that came in the mail, and I wonder, you know, must have had a lot of fun riding, because there's been a lot of wear and tear on the tires. And look who shows up.
Look at this.
Another unemployed gentleman.
Yeah,
What's up, Charlie?
there's a whole bunch of us.
Oh my God.
You're on the wrong side of the road. Where are you?
No,
What
I'm
do
in
you think
England.
you are, huh?
I'm in England. So did you come to wipe the bike off for me? You're gonna wax my bike now? Okay, should we take the bugs off it? It's really dirty. I went for a long ride today. All it was perfect where I was. Wow. Now listen, I want this bike immaculately clean. I don't want to see. What? What? I got candy. If you clean the bike, we could have M&Ms for lunch.
No, we can't.
Oh no,
we
Milky
can't.
Ways.
No.
All right, let's do it right now. So after Miles helped me clean all the bugs off the bike, it's all polished up, ready for the next ride. So hope you enjoyed sharing our ride, sharing all these motorcycle adventures. We try to have fun no matter what we do. Anyway, and thanks for watching.